naghahanap ka ng resort para sa inyong summer outing, keep on watching. Dahil ito yung 10 reasons why you should visit Amana Water Park in Pandi, Bulacan. Number 1. Very affordable ang entrance fee nila. 250 for adults at 200 naman for kids. Number 2. More than 10 ang swimming pools nila, kaya siguradong may swak na swimming pool for all ages. Number 3. Sila ang may pinakamalaking wave pool sa Pilipinas. Kaya kung di ka makakapag-beach ngayong summer, achieve mo din ang alon experience sa tsunami wave ng Amana Water Park. 4. Meron silang zipline and virtual reality ride na available every weekend. Number 5, pwede kayong mag-overnight dito dahil meron silang room accommodation kagaya nitong view deck room na may aircon, TV, towels, and toiletries. Number 6, sobrang dami nilang cottages na perfect for family gathering, barkada, and even team building. 7, may mga food stalls sila na pwedeng mabilhan ng food kaya okay lang kung hindi kayo makakapagdala. 8, may mini zoo din sila kung saan makakita kayo ng ostrich, deer, turkey, and ducks. Number 9, meron silang souvenir shop where you can buy Amana merchandise na perfect pang remembrance or pasalubong at pati na rin ang mga swimming essentials like salbabida, goggles, and rush guard. And number 10, sobrang daming life-size action figures and statues dito, gaya ng mga superheroes and dinosaur na siguradong may enjoy ng mga kids at kids at heart. O diba, kung naghahanap kayo ng resort na papupuntahan ngayong summer, try nyo na sa Amana Water Park. Yun lang, like and follow the Lifestyle Tita for more.